Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker here with RJO Futures. Coming to you here on Tuesday, October 16th with some commentary here in the energy markets. So let's get started. What do we have going on? Well, currently crude prices just a touch weaker here right now. We've got that November contract off about 30 cents, trading right around 91.55-ish area. Brent a little bit weaker than that, down about $1 at around 114.80. Taking a look at the nat gas, it's off about 2 cents here, so a little bit of weakness there around the 346.5 area. Complex a bit mixed. RBOB 285.75. That's up on the day, roughly about 85 cents, while the heat's just a touch lower at around 319.96. That's off almost a penny. So, taking a look at things here on the overnight, and let's actually back up even a little bit further. Let's talk about yesterday's action here real quick. If you take a look at yesterday's post there in the morning, we were looking, crude prices were a little bit weaker. As you recall, I was really kind of targeting that $90 range there, and we did see a lot of additional weakness in that market, and that market actually did sell off quite a bit. We actually went under $90 a barrel for a period of time before it came back up, and actually made quite a bit of a retracement back there to the upside here for the close. So, but a lot of negative action in that market there yesterday, and today, we've got, I think, a lot of consolidation going on here right now. We're going to have API numbers out here later today, DOE tomorrow, looking for another build of about 1.5 million barrels. So I think that's going to kind of keep, crude in check. In addition to that, tomorrow is option expiration for November options. Taking a look at the economic indicators, there was some favorable data coming out of Germany. Look at our own equities markets here, we're a touch firmer. We got the debates tonight. So a lot of things here in the mix that, I think are weighing in on traders' minds. On the technical side of things, I think yesterday's price action, although the bears clearly had control of that market for a good chunk of the day, you got to hand it to the bulls for really lifting that thing up into the close and bringing it back into the upper third of the range, the daily trading range. So I think today, I think you're going to see some two-sided action in there. I don't expect right now to see any major moves. Something I do think is worth noting is if you take a look, I mentioned a lot about that Brent WTI spread. At one point on the overnight there, we widened out to around $24. So give me a call. You want to talk and learn about how to play that spread. I think there's some real good trading opportunities there. So, let's watch crude prices here today. Overall, as you know, short term here, I personally believe that the market still has more downside action in place, short of a major geopolitical event, or if we get a real surprise in the DOE data here. But I don't think that's what we're going to see here right now. I think, we could see prices look to, melt back here a little bit lower. So let's keep an eye on it. And of course, remember that, futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. It may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.